DMN stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. As I've been looking at Damon Incorporated, I see the price melting down. And in this case, all I have to say is that the likelihood that it just continues to do so is still quite high. Look, after I've invested 5 figures in mentors and one-on-one coaching, in trading, right, and having done 40,000 videos and reps, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. In this instance, this is not financial advice, but I'm just kind of showing you my opinion and my 2 cents on this. But it's still one heck of a bearish market. Again, I'm not saying this in a way to just crash, stock crap on Damon. I'm just saying that I'm trying to be kind here, even for myself, just trying to be realistic. And the likelihood that we just clear the lows out is so high for me. Also, it's my discretion working, and it just takes years to kind of perfect. But there's no such thing as no losses. So even if it does not and it fills in some gaps, I'm keeping an eye, so ready even to shift to that bullish idea inside. But currently, it's not looking good. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet very lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.